River State. Open the gate! Open the fucking gate, man! Open the fucking gate!
Open up!
Open the gate!
Open up!
Open the gate! Open the fucking gate! We're in a democracy! We're in a democracy! We're in a democracy! We are 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 in a democracy! Buhari, look at what you have done to River State! We are in a democracy! We are in a democracy! We are in a democracy! Open the gate! Open the gate! Cannot shut down the court. You cannot shut down the court. You cannot shut down the court. You cannot shut down the court. Cannot shut down court. Not in River State. Bloody assholes. Don't shut down courts. The entire world must see what Buhari's government is doing in River State. Using federal power to shut down our courts. The entire world must see. The entire world must see. The APC internal politics cannot shut down our judiciary. APC internal politics cannot shut down our judiciary. It cannot shut down our judiciary. We live in a democracy. Oh God. Nonsense.
Mona wait, Mona no go.
Come on,